Hi student, welcome in chemistry online classes. Now we are studying about coordination compounds. The topic is octahedral complex. In our previous video, we have studied isomerism in square planar complex. Based on this concept, now discuss about octahedral complex. So octahedral complex exhibit cis and trans isomerism. Some example given for octahedral complex. M A2B4 square bracket N plus or minus. Okay, so example cobalt NH34 Cl2 plus. And then also another one example MXY twice B2 N plus or minus. Here A and B is called monodendrite ligand and XY is called bidendrite ligand. So monodendrite ligand. Dendrite ligands. Say example amine, chlorido, bromo, etc. And the XY is called bidendrite ligands. So example En, ethylene diamine. So NH2, the En NH2, CH2, CH2 and then NH2. Okay, so also oxalato OX. Oxalato, these are some example for the monodendrite and then bidendrite ligand. So now the structure of octahedral complex. Here is a method. This is also the simple structure of the octahedral complex. So okay, here so carbon is present in ligands. So ML6 it is called the octahedral complex. A central metal M is called central metal atom. Now here the number here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the 6th position is present. Here 12 in this octahedral complex 12 cis position exhibit. Here 12 cis position is a exhibit. What is a 12 cis position? Here 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Also 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. So 2, 6, 3, 6, is 4, 6, also 5, 6. Also 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, also 2, 5. Also here. So 2, 4, so 3, 4, 4, 5, also 2, 5. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. So totally 12 cis position is present in octahedral complex. So don't confuse because we have take for the only simple. So 1 and 2 position we have fixed. This 1 and 2 position it is also cis position. 1 and 2 position also it is a cis position. That's all. Okay. Similar in trans position. 3 types of the trans position is present. Trans. So 3 position. 3 trans position is present. That means 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 4, also 3, 5. It is also called a 3 trans position is present. So don't confuse. You take only for the 1, 6. We are the fixed. So totally in octahedral complex 12 cis position is present and 3 trans position is present. So we have to take the simple. So cis 1, 2 position, trans 1, 6. So main for the octahedral complex. Okay. Now we see the example. It is called octahedral complex. The 4 ligand is a planar shape and then one ligand is above the plane, another ligand is called below the plane. It is called octahedral shape. This 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. This 4 ligand, okay, so present in planar position. Also 1 and 6 ligand. It is above the plane. It is below the plane. It is a octahedral shape. It is a octahedral shape. So here, so question number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So totally 4 cis positions are present in above the plane, similar to the below the plane. So 2, 6, it is a 6. 2, 6, also 3, 6, also 4, 6, also 5, 6. Below the plane, it is 4 cis positions are present, also in planar shape. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, also 2, 5. It is also 12 cis positions are present. So don't confuse. 1, 2, it is also cis position. We can take 1, 2, it is a 1 and 2 cis position. Okay. Similar transposition. 1, 6, it is called a transposition. Also 2, 4, also 3, 5, it is also transposition is a present. Okay. Now we are discuss example. So take this example. So cobalt NH3 4Cl2 plus. This is a cobalt NH3 4Cl2 plus. So okay, central metal act as a cobalt. It is also cobalt. So okay, now so 4 amine ligand, 2 chloride ligand. Cl, it is also Cl. NH3 amine, NH3, here also NH3, here also NH3. So it is a central metal atom or ion. So okay, here 1, 2, it is a position number 1, position number 2. It is also cis. So 1, 2 cis position. Because it is a 2 similar ligand is attached to 1, 2 position. It is also cis position. So this structure is called a cis isomer. This structure is called a cis isomer. Similar here, I can draw. Trans. It's a cobalt central metal atom, also 4 ligand. Now, so this 2 Cl, 1 Cl, 1 Cl, also here NH3, 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 here also NH3. Okay, this 2 ligand, chlorido 1 and 6, is a trans isomer. It is called a trans isomer. So, in the structures, is a in cis isomer, similar ligand, 2 similar ligand is a 1, 2 position. It is called a cis isomer. So another trans isomer, similar ligand is attached to the opposite direction. That means a 180 degree, 1, 6 is called a trans isomer. So cis and trans isomer example for this compound or this complex for monodentate ligand. Okay. So next we discuss bidentate ligand. You see some example. You see, suppose it is called a so it is like it is a yellow ball. It is called a cobalt complex. Two green ball is called a Cl chloridocom ligands. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called 4 Raman ligand. White ball is called a 4 Raman ligand. Here it is a 1 and 2. It is called a same ligand attached into 1, 2 position is called a cis isomer. Similar this ligand. So 1 and 6 position. This Cl, this Cl, this Cl, this Cl. So 1, 6 position is called a trans isomer. That's all. Then next we move example for the bidentate complex. So this example. CO En twice and then Cl2. It is called En is called ethylene diamine. It is a bidentate ligand. The structure of the ethylene diamine NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 is called remember this can donate to donor position through a central metal atom. Okay, so now you can take cobalt. So 2 chlorine atom Cl, it is a Cl. So remaining NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 is also NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 also. So it is a donor set, like that we can put for here also. Okay, it is a bidentate ligand. So these two chloride ligand 1, 2 position. So it is called cis isomer. It is also called a cis isomer. Okay, similar. Global. Cl Cl NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 NH2 CH2 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 NH2. So it is called trans isomer for octahedral complex because two similar ligand is attached for in a opposite direction. So cis and a trans isomer. So we can, it is a ethylene diamine. Okay. Now in this complex we can write for the simple format. So we can write for the simple format. Okay. So it is a central metal atom cobalt. Ligand is a Cl. Cl is a present. So that's all. In it is a cis isomer. We can don't write for this full structures. We can simple for this type of the structure, cis isomer. That's all. Similar, we can write the trans isomer also. It is a Gobalt. Okay. Cl is called trans. We can write for the simple format. It is a cis and a trans isomer for bidentate ligand. So okay. Next we discuss about for the another isomerism. Example. So Ma3B3 type N plus or minus. It is a facial meridional isomerism. Okay. So facial and meridional geometrical isomerism. First of all, facial isomerism or phase isomer. When three ligands at a donor atoms are on the same triangular face on octahedra is known as phase isomer. Here. Same triangular face of the octahedron. It's called phase isomer. So, mer isomer. Three ligands are in the same equatorial plane. Equatorial plane is present in planar position. So, same equatorial plane of the octahedra is called mer isomer, or another meridian, which is an imaginary semicircle from one apex of the octahedral to the opposite is called mer isomer or meridian isomer. So now let us an example see. Central metal atom M is present. So it is A, B, B, B. See, it is a one triangular face. Here. One. Okay, one triangular face. So another is opposite side. It is called face isomer. It is a same triangular face. It is a same face. It is also another opposite for the same face. It is also called a face isomer. Okay. Similar, it is also mer isomer also. Yeah. So mer isomer. So metal here also A. B, it is also B. So it is a mer isomer. So here say equatorial plane. It is a 3A atom present in a equatorial plane, like that. This is also mer isomer. So another 3 atoms. So it is called a mer isomer. So facial and then mer isomer. You see the example. You see, it is also octahedral facial Meldonier isomerism. You see, it is a 4 ligand is present here. Green color ball is called A ligands. White color ball is called B ligands. When A ligands one is a axial position, another ligand is called equatorial position. These 4 ligands present in equatorial position. These 2 ligands are present in axial position. So okay. Now here this A ligand 1, 2, 3. It is a one face, same face, triangular same face. Similar, this triangular same face. It is a triangular same face. It is called facial isomer. It is also facial isomer. Now mer isomer means so 3A type of the ligand is occupied for the 1, 2, 3. It is a equatorial position. It is a equatorial position. 3 ligands here. 1, 2, 3. 3A atoms in a equatorial position. These are 3 ligands. So equatorial position 1, 2, 3. So it is a one triangular plane. It's a one triangular plane here. It is also another triangular plane. It is also another B atom. 3 B atom. 1 B atom. So another B atom. Another B atom. It is a 3 triangular plane. It is called a mer isomer. So okay. It is a face and a mer isomer. It is called a mer isomer. So that's all. Okay. Thank you, student.